It looks nice and quiet, at least on the satellite and radar, as we can see here from the wider view. We do have some residual clouds off to the east right now from yesterday's storm system. Also, a little bit of ocean effect that's over the outer Cape, but the rest of us just mainly clear skies directly overhead. But again, a little bit deceiving when you look out the window this morning, as we do at the moment have those potentially dangerous wind chill values in place. Frostbite is possible in as little as 15 to 30 minutes if the right precautions are not taken. So just be aware of that this morning. But as we can see here, this is the frozen tundra that is Greenville, Rhode Island this morning as we look through our People's Credit Union Skycam network camera at the Village of Waterman Lake. Something else I kind of want to point out too, roads are fine for the most part, but the snowbanks on the sides of the roads with the wind today, some of them we do have some drifts coming off. So the high speed lane and the breakdown lane might be a little bit thinner compared to what it should be just because of those drifts that continue to blow onto the highway this morning. Greenville currently sitting at a nice balmy 0 degrees. North-northwest wind 14 miles an hour, making it feel like negative 19 degrees. And again, just kind of the contrast between the two air masses of yesterday morning and this morning, about 23 degrees colder compared to yesterday at this time. Again, actual air temperatures are sitting more or less right around 0 across the entire region. And then as we go forward through today, we should be able to make it back into the mid-teens with those mostly sunny skies. Maybe just a brief little batch of clouds roll in around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but really shouldn't be hindering us all that much. Now, the wind chill value is going to be the bigger issue. As we can see here, that wind will continue to blow throughout the duration of the day. We'll maybe get up back into the single digits by the afternoon for the wind chill values. And then as the Super Bowl is getting going, we're going to have those wind chill values dipping back down below 0, and they'll be maybe as low as negative 10 by the time we wake up on Monday morning. Now, the reason for the wind is because we have this Arctic high pressure off to the northwest, and we have our storm system to our east, and we can see all the isobars stacked here pretty tightly, an indication of those strong winds that will be in place, not only as we go forward through today, but also into tonight, and then also into Monday as well. So eventually the high pressure will start to shift itself a little bit further off to the east as we go forward through the day on Monday. And that will eventually bring an end to the wind by the time we get to the late afternoon, early evening time frame. Still cold as we roll though into Tuesday. And then we're going to be watching out for our next little quick hitting system, this warm front that's going to bring a brief period of some light snow showers to the area, probably Tuesday evening time frame, Tuesday night. And then on the other side of that warm front, we might be able to enjoy some quote unquote milder temperatures. So what it looks like over the next couple of days, Monday is going to be rather chilly, feeling much colder than that 29 degrees. Some snow showers late in the day on Tuesday, and then upper 30s, maybe a couple of communities pushing 40 degrees on Wednesday. It'll be a very nice welcome sight. But unfortunately, that true warm up is not necessarily going to be coming over the next several days. We do have the Arctic air mass that will be departing. But notice the jet stream continues to be to our south, and we have some cooler air, relatively speaking, to our seasonal averages. But to us, for what we've had to deal with, it actually might feel nice and warm, as crazy as that might sound. So as we take a look at the 10-day forecast, we can see that trend with the temperatures going into the mid and upper 30s. Our average high for this time of year is right around 40 degrees. So even as we get into next weekend, when we're sitting at maybe 40 degrees on Sunday, that's where we should be. So again, just kind of crazy how cold this winter has been up to this point. So yeah, thankfully we just have to get forward over the next 36 hours and we could say goodbye to this cold for a little bit, guys.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was saying earlier in the week, like when it hits like 30 and that feels good, that's crazy. That's bad.
That's when you know it's definitely been cold.
Yeah, exactly.